This is an introduction to namespaces for people with a namespace on UBC Wiki. A namespace is really just a collection of pages which have content with a similar purpose and where the intended use is the same. So in our case, our namespace is Learning Commons. And in this space, we're going to develop and share content related to learning and research support for UBC students, staff, and faculty. And this content we hope to be shared in a number of different, on a number of different sites, in particular the learningcommons.ubc.ca site. So some of the things to remember about a namespace. One thing that you'll want to do first is to go up to your preferences, click on that, and sort out your search preferences, just so that you can find your pages easily. So I'm going to scroll down, and you can see that already I am searching main namespace and also some very particular namespaces. And so now I'm going to click on the Learning Commons namespace and save that. So this will just allow me to find my pages more easily when I'm looking at them. So I'm going to go back to the Learning Commons page. So here are some of the pages that people have already created in the Learning Commons namespace. And what I'm going to do first is just take you and show you the back end of this page so you can see what the content looks like. So it's basic. Here's your WYSIWYG, basic features that you would see in any word processing system. And I basically just added some text here. I've linked to another page, which is an orientation page where you'll find some short screencasts about how to add new pages, etc. And this is important, this piece here. This is called the dynamic page list. So it allows me to automatically aggregate all of the pages that are created under the Learning Commons namespace once they're created. So that's how I get this list. When I created the Chapman Learning Commons page, which looks like this, I just basically added a colon here, and Chapman Learning Commons to create that page. The other thing that's useful to do in the namespace is watch your pages. So every time you create a page, you'll see up here various tabs, and this tab, I'm watching this page now, so it says unwatch. But normally this would say watch. So once I click that page, it allows me to keep track of it in my watch list. And what that means is anytime anyone happens to edit or change that page, I'll get a notification to my email. So here's some of and the way I view my watch list is click up here on watch list, view and edit watch list, and here are some of the pages I'm watching. And what's nice is that it organizes the pages in your namespace categories as so. I think that's all about namespaces for now. I would encourage you to go to the Learning Commons namespace orientation to have a look at some of the documentation there for adding pages and setting up your own dynamic page list.